What's up, guys? My name is Kayla and I'm 20 years old, and I'm just a girl who wants to travel the world in her 20s. From now on, I'm gonna make a content about every place that I'm dying to visit and see with my own eyes. And hopefully so soon I'm gonna be packing my bags and exploring those spots for real. From cities to villages, from spring to summer, from foreigner to local, I want to experience this big little world and feel how magical the earth is. Take a note, guys, this is 11 June 2026 and this is the first day this girl start having a travel channel. Maybe for now this is just a little places to visit, but in the future I'm gonna looking back at all these videos and said, oh, I've made this far and gonna be proud of how far I've become. And I probably gonna be somewhere in this world. Who knows? I'll make sure I'll travel to United Kingdom. Well, for this one, I'm gonna travel while I'm doing my college. Just wait for this one. This is gonna be too soon. I hope. I'll go to Japan, to Canada, to China, and I'll travel to every corner of Europe. To France, to Italy, Spain, Greece, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, Croatia, Norway, Iceland, Scotland, and Denmark, and Hungary, and Switzerland, and Turkey, and Portugal. And I would love to visit every city in the United States. Isn't it feel amazing? I know you guys who's watching this have the same dream. How about we figure out these things together? We can start this whole journey together. Let's make this community big. Tag every travel brand and airline you know in the comments and tell them to pay our flights. Manifesting those sponsors together, okay? Maybe we can travel together someday. Who knows, guys? But seriously, I would love to hear your stories of every trip you've been on. Your stories are gonna feel like my insights for my future journey. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. That would be pleasant for me. I would love to have a conversation with all of you in the comments. Make sure you leave your top country or place recommendation below, okay? Let's explore the world together. Alright, enough for this boring introduction. Let's just move on and watch places I like to visit around the world. Please spread kind and love. Bye!